Hi! In this video I'm gonna show you how to create the mirror effect, and the awesome thing is that you can do it yourself. You will need black polish nail, mirror powder, and a top coat. The first step to do is to apply the polish nail in all your nails. Just make sure you don't leave any bump because it will show up when you apply the powder. Then I will apply a layer of a top coat in my nails. It doesn't need to be cured in a lamp, it dries itself. This is the mirror powder that I will be using in just one nail. Then I'll apply this. The powder comes with a little brush that I will be using. Tap several times to cover the nail. Now I will be using the blue one. And ta-da! This is the mirror effect. You can see how the blue one turned out and also the pink one in this nail. Let me know what color do you like better. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye!